Hey there! Have you ever wondered if just 15 push-ups a day can actually make a difference in your life? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the incredible benefits of doing 15 push-ups daily and how it can transform your body, mind, and lifestyle. So stick around, because by the end of this, you'll be ready to drop down and give me 15. Let's get started. Benefits of doing push-ups. Push-ups are one of the most effective and simplest bodyweight exercises you can do. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or a complete beginner, they offer tremendous benefits. Push-ups primarily target your chest, shoulders, and triceps, helping you build a stronger upper body over time. Engaging your core during push-ups improves balance and strengthens your abs, leading to better posture and stability. Push-ups elevate your heart rate, promoting cardiovascular health and reducing the risk of heart-related diseases. A short burst of physical activity like push-ups helps fire up your metabolism, aiding in fat loss and muscle gain. Best of all, no need for gym memberships or fancy equipment. You can do them anywhere, anytime. Why 15 push-ups daily works. You might be thinking, just 15 push-ups a day, is that really enough? Absolutely. Working out regularly, even with a small number, builds discipline and lasting habits. Over time, 15 push-ups daily add up. In a year, you'll have done over 5,000 push-ups. Unlike overtraining, a moderate number like 15 helps avoid strain and injury. Seeing yourself progress over weeks and months can be a huge confidence booster. Proper form and technique. Before you jump into doing push-ups, let's make sure you're doing them the right way. Proper form is crucial to avoid injuries and maximize benefits. Start in a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart, back straight, and core tight. Lower your body by bending your elbows at a 90-degree angle while keeping your body straight. Engage your chest and arms to push back up to the starting position. Inhale as you go down, and exhale as you push up. Avoid common mistakes like letting your hips sag, flaring your elbows out too wide, or straining your neck. How to stay consistent. Alright, so you're pumped to start your 15 push-ups a day. But how do you stay consistent? Set a daily reminder using your phone or a sticky note. Tie it to an existing habit, like doing push-ups right after brushing your teeth. Use a fitness journal or an app to log your push-ups daily. Find an accountability partner to keep you motivated. Push-up variations to keep it interesting. If you're worried about getting bored with regular push-ups, don't worry. Try knee push-ups if you're a beginner building strength. Wide grip push-ups focus more on your chest muscles, while diamond push-ups are great for triceps development. Incline push-ups are easier and good for targeting the lower chest, while decline push-ups target the upper chest and shoulders. Transformation stories. Still skeptical? Let's talk about real people who've made amazing progress with just 15 push-ups a day. People who started small but stayed consistent, saw visible muscle tone, improved stamina, and even better mental focus. Their secret? Commitment and patience. Conclusion and challenge. So, there you have it. 15 push-ups a day might sound small, but it's an incredibly powerful habit that can lead to lasting changes. Now, it's your turn. Start today, do 15 push-ups every day for the next 30 days, and see how you feel. Share your progress and inspire others to join the journey. Remember, fitness isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. So get down, push up, and push forward. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and fitness content. See you next time.